USiyema uyakuvuma ukuthi ukuthatha izintambo eqenjini leSiwelele sekuhambe isikhathi akumnikanga isikhathi esanele ukulungiselela isizini ephelayo, njengoba ethi usebheke ukwakha iqembu ngesizini ezayo.
I can safely say no, I'll get to match number 30, but I can still say this season was not perfect for me once more. Because I couldn't do pre-season. I'm still yet to do the pre-season and finish the game. And then I say, can you judge me? And let's judge myself maybe and say, how far can you, how far can you go? So at the moment, really, things are going well. I'm just looking forward for pre-season.
ISiwelele sizosonga isizini ngomdlalo neSikhukhuna United. USiyema uthi bafuna ukunqoba lo mdlalo.
We know our problems, but I can tell you we're going to go all out. We are going all out to win the game. And yes, we are not scoring much, but thanks to the young gentleman here and his teammates, I think I want to even to take these boots that he's wearing to take them home, because he might give them away when we close here. So that because I think they have goals in them.
Leli qembu lizinze eFree State eBloemfontein lihleze endaweni yeshumi kulog kanti lifuna ukungena ku-top 8.